not your usual race. In fact, it's an uphill struggle from start to finish. A total of 99 motorcyclists from China and Thailand competed in the Yunyang International Stairway Racing Festival. Riders in Chongqing, China made good use of the area's landmark 700 steps, battling obstacles and torrential rain to blast their way up the ancient stones. Which meant, inevitably, what went up sometimes came back down. This poor rider falling just inches from the finish. Motorbikes aren't hogging the limelight though. In the coming days the festival will also host a foot race and one for cows and sheep. Marvellous.